This video is entitled Maintenance, Parts File, Parts Listing Detail, Labor. The Labor tab is used to store the man hours that have been assigned to the current part. The tab contains the following fields. The part number, description, and UPC number fields are displayed across the top of the tab for reference purposes. And we also have the unit of measure, a frozen checkbox, and a watch list checkbox that will allow you to place it on the watch list or the frozen list. They're the same frozen and check boxes that are displayed on the general tabs that we talked about earlier. They're just placed on this page for convenience. The left side of the labor form has 4 standard labor units. Standard labor units are sometimes referred to as change order or book labor units. These values are obtained from labor manuals produced by the different trade associations or published and sold by publishing houses dedicated to different trades. When a value cannot be found in a manual, we will normally calculate it as being double the bid or productivity value. When you add a value to the first standard labor level, the program will ask you if you want to let it calculate the remaining fields. If you let the program calculate the value, it will calculate the value so that level 2 will be 25% higher than level 1, level 3 will be 50% higher than level 1, and level 4 will be 75% higher than level 1. Of course, you can enter your own values if you choose to, but if I was to change this to 0.10, the program will ask me if I want to automatically calculate it, and I say yes, so it automatically calculates all the values. Then my bid values are also going to change because I have a multiplier in the center that converts my change order or standard values to bid values. As I said, we normally have, and I'm demonstrating, having my bid value be half of my book value because I do not want to expose what I call my productivity values. The bid values on the right hand side can be adjusted manually, and if you do adjust it manually, the multiplier will change for that particular line. So labor level 1, if I change the value for this for the bid labor level 1 to 0.075, I get a different multiplier here, but it does not change these multipliers. So if I calculated something for my bid value and I wanted to make sure that all my productivity values had the same multiplier in here, I would put 0.75 in my multiplier field, and it would I put in 0.75, and if I put the right value in, it will use that same value for all my multipliers, and it will recalculate all my values on my bid side or my productivity value. This concludes the Maintenance, Parts File, Parts Listing Detail, Labor tab video.